one last time I get to say welcome to drinktec 2025 and welcome to Krones. And just like on Monday for our official kickoff session, I would like to ask your support also for today for our official wrap-up to welcome to the stage with a very, very warm applause Krones CEO Christoph Klenk. Krones CSO Thomas Ricker.
Hello.
And Krones Executive Board Member Markus Tischer. Isn't it incredible how quickly time has flown by? 5 so exciting and so eventful days. Have your hopes and expectations been met? Was drinktec 2025 a success?
Yes, of course. But let me frame that a bit. What drinktec was. One hall. We are all together here, and in the forum, we had 40 forums here, and we had 16,000 clicks on those forums. So that's amazing. We have all the exhibits here, 70 exhibits, and we had around 50,000 people passing through our booth here. And we have spoken to all the customers around the world, so I would say this was a great success. And let me put one second thing into perspective. Our biggest target was to bring innovation across, from small to big, from machines to lines, to digital, to lifecycle services, to lifecycle alliances. And a great compliment to our sales team, getting this message across in a way that our customers perceived it as it's becoming reality. And that's a great success for all of us, all the team here. So yes, a clear yes, drinktec is a big, big success for us.
And what a team effort, right? I mean,
we come to that later, of course.
Without you, that was amazing. Thomas, did you have a personal highlight? I assume there were plenty, but was there something that stood out in particular?
You took already my answer, so there is really plenty. But my personal highlights, my wish was to make our customers happy, and this is my absolutely personal highlight. The feedback we received from our customers about the booth concept, about the exhibits, about the story, what we are telling here, was really great, awesome. I think we had already shown them the solutions for today, but especially also the solutions for tomorrow. We think about beyond tomorrow, and I'm quite sure that we made them curious. And this is also a big challenge again for Krones now to realize again, because there is a big expectation to bring the next things. Yeah. And I can tell you, you can count on us.
Thank you.
So maybe, yeah. Maybe let me add my highlight as well. So let's take a look on the R&D behind that machines and that solutions here. And it started right after the last drinktec. We made a plan what we would like to show on the next drinktec in 3 years. And then we worked very hard to achieve this. And I can see all the people there explaining the solutions, what we did over the last year with such an excitement and such a pride. And it was so satisfactory to get the feedback from the customer that this is exactly what they looked for. So this fuels our energy to do the very same for the next drinktec in 3 years again.
I take you by the word. Amazing. Christoph already mentioned more than 40 presentations here at the forum on 5 key topics, and there was plenty of room for exchange of ideas and talks, dialogues, discussions even. All the speakers invited everybody for their feedback, and they received feedback. So what are you going to do with all the feedback?
Yeah, maybe one other word to the forum. This is the biggest show in the beverage and food industry globally. And the show is about showing. But how do you show something that's invisible, like our visions, like our dreams, like our thoughts and insights? And I think the forum was a great place to share that ideas between us, the customers, the partners, and bringing really these visions into reality. And by talking about that, we create a new ideas and solution, and that's exactly what we take up again. We also had it a little bit captures on the vision tree in the entrance, and that's exactly then our roadmap going forward. Take up that ideas and inspirations we got here in the forum and all the discussions with the customer, and taking them to new solutions for the future and for the next show.
All right, and you have already given us some impressive numbers for the past couple of days. How proud are you on a scale from 1 to 100 when you look at your team here?
That's very simple. On a scale to 1 to 100, it's 200. So because we can be proud on the entire team here. I mean, we look usually, once we are drinktec, to those surfing here and preparing here. So we have a team of around 800 people in total here to do the drinktec. But nevertheless, it's about 20,000 colleagues in the organization working on the success of Krones and being behind what you see here. So it's not us here on the show, it's all of us in the organization. And don't forget our customers, they make us as well successful. Why? With the challenges they give to us and the push they give to us. I mean, it's a give and take. And I have just listened to the feedback of some of our customers an hour ago. There was a clear statement. We are pushing you and we have expectations. So looking to that, we are even proud that our customers actually perceive us in a way that we keep our promises and that we keep on going. And the next show, you will see the same thing again.
Pushing to innovate, that's of course important, and we were so glad to even have many customers here on stage who were sharing exclusive insights, and I think that's really a fantastic sign showing that teamwork really makes the dream work and that Krones really sees your customers not as customers but as partners, and to shape the future together. That's the goal. Of course.
Absolutely. So also these dreams come true, because on Monday on the opening speech I said, okay, if our customer realizes that we are not only a supplier, that we are the partners, and that was exactly what you said, Desiree. This was the feedback, and there is a lot of challenges out we only can solve together, and this also is a clear message from us to our customers that we join together, we listen to them, and we find the solutions they need to be successful.
Awesome. A famous German soccer player once said, after the match is before the match. Yeah. So what is after drinktec 2025?
Yeah. I mean, we can talk, and Markus will certainly add on innovation, but there's one other thing which matters for me very much. If you look to how many companies we have already integrated in our Krones family, and this one is here, the reunion event, to be all together and to show that we are becoming a family even if a new member comes on board. We have just highlighted 2 acquisitions we have made recently, and if we are doing so, this is the place to get together and to team in the family. And we are still a big family. We are working as a very close team together, and I would say this is the big dream. Keep that not only until next drinktec, keep that long term, because that makes our success.
Thank you.
Yeah, we talked a lot about the huge challenges ahead of us, the world topics, and one conclusion really was for me that we can only solve them interdisciplinary. And as Christoph mentioned, we have a big family already at Krones with a lot of competence in very different areas of competence. And together with our partners and our customers, we are the platform and ecosystem to create exactly that solution that have an impact on the world. And that's what motivating us and also driving us a lot.
Thank you. Well, 5 days are done, but this is just the beginning. Thank you so much.
Pleasure.
A big thank you also, of course, to all of you, to our speakers. Right?
Thank you very much.
A big thank you to our speakers here in the forum who made every day extra special for my colleague and me. We learned a whole lot here. Thank you for joining us live here in Hall B6. Thank you for tuning in online. In case you have missed any presentations or simply want to watch them again, you will find them on our YouTube channel. And all the drinktec highlights, of course, on the Krones website as well. We hope you enjoyed the 5 days with us and take with you lots of inspiration for shaping the future together. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.